Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader, and this is Marie. And yes, let's see what we find today in this market. Market is kind of pumping up. We have a couple news apparently from Nvidia and from INTC. Nvidia greasing the hands of somebody, probably. So I don't know. Yeah, let's see.
What's the deal? Like, I think it's 5 billion, which is.
It's a Coca-Cola. It's a kind of Coke, for them.
That just blows my mind.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
So how are you doing, Marie?
Doing well. I am very, very pumped for today's trading. Woke up again, swam this morning with smoke on the water. So yes, I am looking forward, and we're going to be planning something soon.
Yeah, pretty cool. So.
And you, how are you feeling?
I don't know. I'm feeling good, I guess. So, you okay? Can I have that? Oh, I have coffee on my keyboard. What happened? What did I say?
Oh. Sorry, people.
Hey. Hey. Yeah, all good. So I'm doing good. I'm doing fantastic. Let's make sure that Marie doesn't get any distraction from me saying things weird. Yeah, okay. So we are doing good, man.
Crud.
So yeah, let's see what the market have to offer today. I'm sorry, Marie. I didn't mean to do that, but I don't know what was going on in there. So yeah, and
Yeah. Okay, well.
yeah.
That was a smack. Okay, we're back. We're back from commercial.
Yeah, so something that we can see here, Marie, with that news that you were kind of in my phone, have coffee too. so
I'm sorry. It takes.
something that we were saying about or noticing is you see INTC pop up quite a lot. Like I think Marie said about $10, but to be honest, I look at it from far, so I kind of didn't know. So INTC, oh yeah.
Come on.
Yeah. Okay, so let's see. It's okay. It doesn't matter. So then you have Nvidia, that is the smuggler, and it's doing fantastic, dude. Like yes, it's trending down a bit, but it's like
Well, it opened them up, right? It should open them up if they're able.
yeah,
if
but
this is what's going to create the movement for actually approval for Nvidia, then yeah, Nvidia should pump up out of this as well.
yeah, just like it's a major violation of the treaty and all those things. So yeah, it's looking good for whatever it is, but hey, we don't know what Mr. Trump and people are gonna say about this, how people are gonna react. So we have to be kind of nimble with Nvidia. But what I say, if you see Nvidia 174, Nvidia pop up overnight. Yes, it did quite good, I guess. So and when you look at AMD, it have the opposite reaction to INTC. So what means that hey, INTC, now you're gonna have, what do you have now? Because this was a secret situation. So because you have the secret situation, what do you have investor for INTC saying, hey, I know you cash out another 5 billion that were not in the book. Are you willing to give me that? Are you giving me some of that,
Exactly, it's out, right?
So we don't know.
Well, the stock, anybody that owned the stock on INTC is thrilled as tickle pink,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, it's fantastic. So, but yeah. It's just the market always react the way it want to react. Stocks want to react the way they want to react to anything. They like you remember me saying, oh, this is actually it's MCI. It's good to take a look at this MCI. I just have to check the news, and that was what I was going to. We had at 8:30 initial jobless claims and Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index. So the jobless claim. As Mr. Powell was mentioning yesterday in the conference, it's just lower and lower. There is not much jobless claim, as there is not much job creations and things like that. So, economy really is slowing down apparently. So from Mr. J. Paul, that's what he was saying yesterday. So, but yeah, inflation not a problem apparently yet, but like yeah, he definitely got 25, so 25 points. So yeah, I wanted to look at SMCI because SMCI is a little bit related to those things. So we are pumping up at 45.40. This is a lager, in my opinion. I like a very good lager. Like, I mean, if the market shows signals of any shorts, probably I'm gonna be looking at SMCI as a short because
Okay.
I don't have to risk a lot on SMCI for me to like right now it's at the price. It's 45.40. That was the price I kind of like it for the short. 45.50 if I want to be a little bit picky about it. But SMCI definitely looking like not that good, you know.
5 seconds.
Yeah, so 5 seconds for the open. Watch out for everything, you know. Take it easy. So, are you trading anything at the open
I
specifically?
had INTC, but I may be.
Man, INTC, even with the volume at the open, is at trading 38 times its normal volume. 38 times its normal volume. Like, are you kidding me? How long that I don't see something like that in here, you know?
Right?
Oh my goodness. Of course, I expect a nice pullback here because
Of course,
that's
right?
what it
we
does.
need to.
So,
And it's coming to it.
I don't have a trade right now, though I like Tesla, but I like Tesla. I like SMCI, but the SMCI a little bit hard to manage that one. So yeah, there we go. SMCI. Why is SMCI so far? So I'm gonna give it a little shot to SMCI. Let's see if I am wrong or not on that one, but okay, there we go. We got SMCI short. It's not super complex trade, as I say. It's just right there. So for me to not take it is hard. Why? Because like, it's an easy trade. Remember, no low hanging fruit and all those good things. So we don't want to do too many low hanging fruits. That's what we want to say, pretty much. So Nvidia, monster order at 175. 175 for Nvidia is really, it's 2,000 lot right now. 175. Don't go against that, in my opinion. I wouldn't go against that right now. So I'm gonna try to get some NVDA long. So I have a SMCI short, possibly Nvidia long. Let's see. But Nvidia went without me right now. You know, like that 75. Yeah, it's a matter of patience. So I won't jump at the 75 because the one I want is 74.50. So and not much stress about that one, you know. So I don't know if my guy Zach is around there. I don't think he's there right now. But today's what, Thursday?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we are gonna get Nvidia right now. We got the NVDA. Una sola. Okay, we should be able to enjoy the ride in those two. Like, if you see, we are going this way. So we are going long AMD, long NVIDIA, short SMCI. It's just very counterintuitive, but very decent level. So I have no much stress on those, as I say. So I want to be taking partials very soon. So we're gonna be, oh la la, Tesla, my goodness. Okay, let's see if we can get some Tesla. I don't have to get a lot of Tesla, like especially, we know how Tesla have been doing lately. So my guy Zach just show up. Welcome to the club, my guy. How are you doing? Tell me that you have some SMCI from overnight. INTC, sorry, INTC. We are doing pretty good here, pretty good. I have Discord open somewhere. Discord, come on, where are you? Discord. I see my guy. You are calling me, so just give me a second. I closed it by mistake. It's not close. It's behind these things here. Okay, yeah, it was close. Okay. Oui, allô? Ça va? Très bien, très bien.
Bonjour, Zach.
My goodness, you make me feel so old when you say vous.
Hmm?
You make me feel so old when he say vous.
Et vous means plural.
Yeah,
It means
yeah.
double. Ustedes.
Yeah, but like, yeah, it's true too. I mean, like, because the connotation is like older
See?
if it's a single
I only
person.
talk to you, for sure.
Got you. So we are getting those Tesla very soon. We're gonna get some little loan on Tesla, and by the penny, I haven't got it. There we go. We got some Tesla now. So now I have probably too many open positions, but we're gonna try to be as responsible as possible with those. So you are looking at IBIT, I guess.
Yeah, I did. The jar supply, spy.
Holy crap, IBIT is looking very strong. Mary, what are you trading?
Baidu
Baidu.
and INTC.
Yeah, Baidu's looking weird. INTC for sure is. INTC is looking so slick today.
Slick.
Yeah.
I like that. And you? What are you in?
I am Nvidia long, SMCI short, Tesla long. But like I am willing to be out of those trades. Like Tesla, like I could add there, but like I won't add to Tesla because I seem to be a bit wrong on those trades. So like Nvidia is kind of getting hammered right there. So, but if you look at the volume, it's kind of suggesting that I want to add. So I add to Nvidia. I shrink my stop loss a bit, just because that's the right thing to do. I think I prefer to be out faster than. At least in that one, because it's not a good news, you know. It's in my opinion, it's not a good news. So in this world, we don't know what is a good news or not. So
Oh, for Nvidia.
yeah, so yeah, it got me out. So we are kind of okay with that. So if I would like to add to Nvidia, I would like to see it pulling back a little bit more before I decide to add or to buy it back. let's see how Nvidia is looking like. So I have my next order to get Nvidia. If that doesn't work, probably I'm gonna walk away. Tesla is really moving bad, you know, like toward the downside. So it's such a little shirt that like I will add there, but that ad is just to be out. Like I mean, just as a way of reducing the risk. I have an order to get some Nvidia low at 173.47.
173.47. To go long?
Mm-hmm.
173.
There is at 173.40. Okay, I have to cut off Tesla. If it doesn't hold that price by the penny, I'm gonna be out. So bad that I'm gonna put an order right there. So for 21.50, and that's gonna be a like more than what I want to give away. That's a for sure. So I put the order to be all out of Tesla because I have been responsible yet, but I don't want to get there. Okay, Nvidia is approaching the price I want to, so let's see. Okay, Tesla got an engulfing candle from the 400, so that might be good. Nvidia just got me in, and so Zach, how is the temperature around there? Is too cold now? Like we are getting a little bit chilly here and there.
It's about the same as in Vietnam.
Oh yeah.
Is it? Yeah.
Yeah, it's not that different.
Okay, cool.
It's more than when it gets cold, it's cold.
Okay. So at the extremes, it holds it for longer, basically.
Do you enjoy the winter carnival?
I didn't went to last year. So.
No, eh? That was on my bucket list.
I should go one day.
It's a carnival.
It's New Orleans
Mm-hmm.
in winter.
Like, why? You're gonna take a look at that.
It's Mardi Gras in winter. So there's parades, there's Le Bonhomme Carnaval, which is the host, there's ice castles, there's all kinds of activity outside.
Nice.
It is. It's been going on forever. My aunt went when she was young.
I have heard. I
Yeah.
have heard about it. I just
I wouldn't be surprised they'd be celebrating their 100th soon.
oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. When you say my aunt went when she was young.
Yeah, because yeah. There is a chance that everybody's expecting, like for Nvidia, maybe they are expecting. Are there going to be any consequences toward this or not? But like, if we know, like, by history, I will say yes, there is going to be consequences to that. But we never know.
Oh, that could be, eh? We don't.
Yeah, because it's a bit like betrayed, you know, betraying the.
Going back door?
Yeah, like, but I don't know if he because it is corporative and things like that. It's different, but like,
Yeah, these aren't crowned or owned. I'm sure they've got a lot of support by government, no doubt. Right?
yeah, for sure.
I think Palantir a couple of times got bailed out. Oh, but
The problem with Palantir is that it wasn't getting as many contracts at some point, but right now they are doing good in that. Like, and like a criticism that have been going around is that the government contract doesn't pay as good as private contracts.
of course.
So and they didn't have most of their contracts were from the government for Palantir. But Palantir have been growing up, so it's a big boy today. So I don't think that's a concern for Palantir anymore. For Nvidia, we know it's not. And from INTC, like, hey, Trump put $1 billion in INTC. So is he gonna be concerned about that? I don't think so.
I didn't know that.
Yes, he did. It was not direct. It was in bonds, or I don't know. Like Pierre was the one that was talking to me about that, but like, and then when he like I saw the news, but like, it was a product that benefit from that, but not. It wasn't directly the stock.
Okay.
We can actually look at that while we are doing nothing because I'm doing nothing right now. So just waiting for those trades to move. Nvidia, I like it a lot where I have it, but I have the price I want. So if that one doesn't work, I'm probably gonna leave it alone. The Trump bought INTC. Ooh la la.
I guess that's a yes.
Oh my goodness.
That's a yes?
Under terms of the agreement, the United States government will make an 8.9 billion investment in Intel stock. Okay, let's keep it going.
Wow.
I don't want to get in trouble with these stocks things. I mean,
Oh.
like, what I mean, I'm gonna start liquidating because it's what makes sense to do. So SMCI, I think it reached the bottom, but don't listen to me on that one. Just let's see what it's looking like.
Holy crud.
Which was that one?
So Baidu,
Yeah.
$1.70 in the money.
Aha, look at you.
You never guess where I got it.
Oh, I get. You wanna bet I can guess? And I am looking at the screen. I know there. You think I can get it?
Yes.
Okay, so let's look at Baidu. I'm gonna try to guess where Marie got Baidu. I will say your price is about 132.45.
Oh, you're pretty good, but no, that one wasn't there. So 133. That was the biggest one on the
Hey.
tape. Hey, you're good.
Not that good. I didn't guess.
Hey, that was the low, right? So.
No, that wasn't the low. The low was 132.
Ow. You know what? Let's be good.
Zach, do you still have a Baidu long term?
No,
No.
I switched to Aurora and third.
Okay.
I don't know if it was going up.
Okay, $3 in the money. I am taking a partial.
My pleasure.
What is wrong?
How about what?
I got pain in my hand. Okay, so what are you gonna do there? No.
I'm short, I did.
Perfecto. Let's look at that.
I've been short since 9:42.
Look at you.
2 hours, then pull back. And it's going back.
Okay. Spice lagging-ish a bit today.
A solid bounce.
I have an order to add to SMCI. And I slept on it too much. Like, I mean, it really offered that price, and I was just not paying attention. I is this SPY longish or shortish?
Strong RSI. So really rangy.
You remember that thing I told you yesterday that I'm gonna be practicing?
More parties?
No. That the ones that move the less against my entries are gonna be adding. I just did that on Nvidia right now. Nvidia is kind of telling me, you know what, I don't want to go that low. Of course, it's not making anything. It's just I'm like my R risk is gonna be always the same. Like not always the same, like because it changed. But what I'm saying, like I won't risk more than what I say I want to risk.
Okay.
So in this case, I am risking the same, but I have more shares. So meaning that my stop loss is a little bit tighter, but still good for me to enjoy the profit if ever it really move. So Tesla. Tesla is that one that I kind of don't know what I want to do with it, because it's not doing much, you know. It's doing something, but I couldn't say it is as attractive.
Okay.
Unless you look at it in my long-term account. Oh la la.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. My precious. Hey, let's put the order there. Like you didn't get it previously, but now you don't have an excuse. Just put the order there for SMCI. Like I mean, keep sleeping on it for no reason, you know. You wanna play that game, Nvidia? Let's play that game.
What is happening? What are you playing with?
With Nvidia,
Mm-hmm.
it's a chop right now. I mean, it's chopping around, so I'm gonna remove and I'm gonna add, and I'm gonna remove and I'm gonna add.
Look at you.
Just like that.
Here we go.
Here comes the money.
Order in right away to add. SMCI ID add right now.
Yeah.
SMCI kind of gonna have to do miracles for you to kill me, but yeah. It feels like the same trade than Nvidia, so I'm a bit concerned that if one doesn't work, the other won't work either. So
Oh, we've got numbers.
let's take a look at that. I have no numbers coming out, so what?
Baidu 350. How are your trades?
They are okay. They are not doing much, to be honest. But There's a mistake in there. I have to cancel that. Okay.
Big breakout, eh? First spy. No?
Yes, it is.
Roland Pie and Shrill Junkyard, and both of them were
Oh,
Yeah, Piotr have been abandoned lately, even by myself.
I started the top.
Oh yeah. Very nice. So in Nvidia,
there we go.
Money talk. Here comes the money.
I wanna look at that PLTR. Ooh la la. So I have another 2 ads on Nvidia.
Okay.
There we go, I got the ad in Nvidia.
You got your NVIDIA?
Yes, I got the ad. I am adding to it, so.
$4
Sharp it up, my guy. Sharp it up.
for Baidu.
Hey. Oh yeah. That Baidu's looking aggressive.
Mm-hmm.
You have to do what you have to do, my guy. So I have to modify this thing again. There is a little mistake.
the market, the president might be speaking. He's in England, as we all know. Royal. A royal welcome.
It's okay, you take your time. I have no rush with you, my guy.
Who are you? Which one are you speaking to?
I'm talking to BDA. Like, look what a beautiful tree, man. Like, it's just insane. Like, if you notice what I did, like here, like, I went long, add to the long, that didn't work. Then I went to the long, add to the long, I tightened my stop loss right there. Partial,
Wow.
add, and
Look at you.
that's why I say I have no rush with you, because right now I am taking another partial on that
Wow.
bad boy.
Good, there you go.
And what I gonna do right away, I gonna put my order to add. So whatever I remove, I add. I remove, I add. I remove, I add.
What did you say to me last time? Who are you? Look at you.
How do you put those lines in here?
Those lines, there was a buyer on the tape at those lines. Like at the one at 173, he was at 173.40, but I say it's 5 cents below because he's choppy. He was choppy. And then the 174.50.
And where is the dotted line?
This is a 400 moving average.
Good trade, my guy.
Yeah, thank you. That definitely was a good trade. It's weird, but hey, let's keep it going.
Uh-oh. Yo tengo un dolor de la cabeza.
Dolor de cabeza.
Sí.
Oh, yes. You want a pill?
Mm-mm.
Pa bueno. I have an order to add. It's unexpected for most of the people at the price, like probably, but like it's sad. I'm expecting it to pull back to 174.49, 174.50. Sorry, not 49. So I'm even front running that little, like that one there by a little bit. 80s as usual, trying to hold.
Well, we know the 80s. They on Nvidia.
Yeah,
They're
it's,
so the front running or the front or back run of the 80s is. So I'm still in Baidu, but I'm watching the 136. So if it's gonna lose 136, I'm just gonna sell it right there.
Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen.
It's
Baidu.
got 45 seconds to
Oh,
get
yeah,
back
I
to it.
see. Yeah. 38, 36,
Mm-hmm.
35.
It's true though. Like at this, it needs to, and there it goes. There we go. So as long as it behaves, he's got 20 seconds to pop on the 36.
Oh, it is above 36, no?
Mm-hmm. 7.
I'm asking Orlando when the new baby is gonna get born.
It should be close,
Like
right?
November. Yeah, but yeah, that's what I think. Okay, Nvidia is pulling back as I expected. So Tesla out of the blue decide, hey, I wanna pop. So it's popping up.
Probably feeding what's happening right now, that crazy move on SPY. Popping 2.5. For a rangy SPY, that's pretty, but it's pretty much right now at the pre-market high. So we'll see what it's going to do there. Wow. 663.60. 66, that's right there. So I don't think they wanted to go back down. Somebody's participating. Excusez. Oi. How did you sleep, TV?
It was okay. And Nvidia didn't give me the fill by like 2 cents. So
You what? I'm sorry, TV.
I have an order to add to Nvidia and it didn't add by 2 cents. So yeah, it's still January for the baby.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, Nvidia. I have to do this, Nvidia, so it's not that I don't like you.
Money talk.
Here comes the money.
Tesla is almost asking for the same because Tesla has a little bit less momentum than, well, a little bit less. Like Tesla have way less momentum than Nvidia. So I'm gonna try to refill an Nvidia, but let's see. I'm gonna have to put the order. Oh my goodness. I hate when that happens, but I feel a little bit chasey here, and that's what I don't like.
Oh, you're chasing what?
It's Nvidia. I'm chasing a little. It's the ad what I'm chasing, which is okay,
Okay.
but I don't want to get too of a bad price because I missed it by 2 cents. So I missed it by 2 cents at 174.50. Right now I'm missing it by a couple cents at 175, but I'm sure, I'm almost sure I'm gonna get 175. It's just the buyers really stepping up in the gas in this thing right now, so come on, patient. You can have patience. Not be saving a quarter in that one.
What?
Oh, it's just like how much I'm saving on that position if I wait for. It's a quarter of. Yeah, I save a quarter of the position if I just don't jump on it. You see that I'm like I will stop justifying that because it makes no sense. Like at the end, it's
What
like
doesn't make any sense?
that trade. I had double of the share sizes with the tighter stop loss, and yes, I have been doing good on it. But like, could you imagine if I didn't took any partial, how much that will be? Like, but yeah,
Yes.
the one I
but-
decide to partial is like, but that's why I had actually. It was part of the plan. It's just saying like, maybe that's the part of the idea that it's not allowing me to take off in certain trades. So, but yeah. Like taking partial on a trade that I am kind of convinced where it's gonna go is something really annoying. Or even adding and getting a worse price, but I have to make peace with that because the other part is not the best. Or yeah, at least the data I have says is not the most efficient way of trading. So
What's happening?
I'm quite annoyed by Nvidia, but yeah, it's okay. You know what? A good trade is a good trade. Out of it.
Money talk.
Here comes the money.
Ay, ay, ay. Do I want to go the other direction? Let's see. No, you don't want to go the other direction. Oh, that's not the right stock. That's hey. What a silly potato.
Who's the silly potato? A potato that's silly today. Okay. Yeah, you like it? A silly potato.
I have a short level that right there, so not giving it a lot of room. Let's see just if it printed or not. We have bad news, so probably will work.
You've got what?
Nvidia does have bad news, negative news, so
Mm-hmm.
that could work. I'm gonna get myself.
Well, it's a mix almost, right?
When you say it's a mix, can you expand a little bit more on that one?
Yes, he's like obviously they've lost $5 billion.
They lost.
Well, I mean, like in liquidity, in money, in like, is it a loan? It's what, right? So, but they're opening up the largest market for acceptance, right? So, it could be both.
Okay.
No, I know it's obviously they're playing hardball. Oh, 1 p.m. NVIDIA Intel conference.
They're gonna explain there. Well, was he who the one that gave him the money? You know, I don't have to see with that.
I didn't know. It was just at the front door. Mm.
So Nvidia react quite well to my level, and because of that, I just doubled down there. Of course, I have a tighter stop loss, so I may catch a loss there, and I'm okay with that. But yeah, that was part of the process there. If that one doesn't work, I am not shorting it until we get to 178, and I'm gonna make that very clear. So let's take some partial on Tesla. That will be Tesla. That's Tesla. Yeah, Tesla. As I say, it's nice for a certain thing, but like it's not nice in the other. So you know what? I'm gonna be all out of Tesla. You wanna play with somebody? Why I'm doing that a lot today? You know?
Yeah. And else the P&L.
Looking good for now. I took a decent loss, so it's green and it's good. But what I mean, I took a decent loss at on SMCI, and now I'm probably gonna take another loss on NVDA. I could do a little bit of pyramid in there, but I won't do that because I have a level that is at 177, 178 pretty much.
Okay.
So because I have that level there, I'm not willing to increase the risk on that trade.
New high, eh, for SPY?
Yes, like this thing is also gonna go higher. So.
4.5 hour on the SPY trade.
Look at you.
Nice.
It's my guy.
Okay,
How much did you say?
5 hour.
Oh, nice.
What did you say, Zach?
It's XPSL, but it doesn't.
Yeah,
It's just cheaper to buy.
yeah. I'm out of Nvidia. As I say, I have no reasons to keep shorting Nvidia, so let's go back to SMCI. So I'm reloading SMCI to the short side because it's the one, but that I believe in the short. So I know SPY is pumping up for now, but there is no shame about shorting Tesla as well, right there. So on Tesla short and SMCI. Let's see if we get the SMCI.
Davey,
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
are we able to
We're
take
gonna
a break?
take a little break. We're gonna be back in a bit.
Looks super good. How are you doing? How are you doing? Today would be a green day. Like I'm using the ATR more. Kind of working. Like short on PLTR, I I would have get out with my old way of doing it. But with the ATR, I'm still in almost 1 hour in the money. 14 length. Don't know if you. I go in the 1 minute. I'm out of XPXL. For 4 hours. I have PLTR and IBIT short that are working both. So you're doing good in trading right now? Like, mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. But your main tool is the tape still? Mhm.
Right, I'm back. You're trading Marie yet?
No, Baidu I came out completely the position.
Mm-hmm.
I am in INTC.
INTC long.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh la la.
With a possible exit at 31. I mean at 32 or 32.50, depending of the momentum.
I guess that's yours.
Oh, of course. Thank you. We'll need that.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, but we'll look at it today.
Yeah, for sure, yeah, like as normally you have more time. If you see anything, just send it to me, and like any
No,
options.
but I mean, we can start.
Talking, yeah, for sure.
No, well, looking at it.
Today,
Mhm.
today yeah, for sure. I'm good with that.
I think it's so important.
You think it is so important? Yes, it is. I'm kidding. I'm kidding, patron. You don't hold a little joke.
Schmuck, schmuck.
Ay, ay, ay.
Schmuck, schmuck.
If your boss doesn't hold a little joke, you are in trouble, my guy.
Yeah. Yeah. Like, I'm the boss. You are so fun.
Well, you are the boss.
No.
Whoever believes the opposite is wrong. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's true, I shouldn't be doing the accent. It's okay.
Are they bots? The people that do that?
No, I think there is and nobody wants to do that, especially like in the media today. Like, you don't want to have anybody pointing at you saying like, calling it like cultural appropriation. And yeah. C'est la vie, mon ami.
Who's there?
It's my sister-in-law. She's talking to me about the baby. But let me mute that because it's gonna drive you crazy. Ay, ay.
Holy, eh? So I guess some people are starting to think that it's good news for NVIDIA?
That's why I say today we don't know in which type of war we are.
Yeah, it's a nice little $3 move. Yeah, look at that beautiful bottom for AMD. Is there possible for AMD to get to the PCL? That would be sweet, eh? Because that's a big imbalance. $5? Like that's a $10 drop at 149.50 from the previous. Wow, that was lucky.
Yeah, in my La PCL I see it as far, but probably is doable. I don't know. So I'm gonna add to Tesla because I say I went to conservative. I have no reasons to go that conservative in that price. No, all good. Just looking at Tesla doing Tesla things. So I literally gonna put the stop loss at the high of the day. $431.81. The stop loss is in on Tesla, so at least I don't let it go too far
Okay.
or farther than what I want to go, because that is already far where I put my stop loss.
Behaving like a big boy.
Okay, I will walk away from Tesla. And that's just the right thing to do for me right now on Tesla because Tesla is doing Tesla.
So you're out of Tesla?
I'm out of Tesla. That was the biggest loss of the day. So, of course, there is a mistake.
Wow, we're very quiet today.
Is that a bad thing?
Tell us a story, Zach.
Oh boy.
That bad, huh? That bad that he say, oh boy.
I don't have a lot of story, but what do you want to hear? Like,
What do we want to hear?
You are asking like that, like if you are ChatGPT, so we can say about Halloween, let's say.
What did you say, David?
He's giving us any option. It's like, what about it? You know, like, well, what would you like to hear about? So I say Halloween. Let's say scare us.
Oh,
I don't know how to hear about Halloween.
Ah man. No, I'm kidding. About anything you would like to talk about.
Like, this year I'm building the frame on the car.
Mm-hmm. Right.
So I am like the chief of the department of the frame.
That's pretty cool.
A lot of responsibility. And I have this week we match each rookie with a department. So like the new student for this year.
Mm-hmm.
Every one of them told us their interest in what department.
Nice.
This week I got every time the rookie. So I had to make a presentation, explain the project. And I also learn how to make drawings on how to modify the tubing of the train.
Very nice. Do you have to go to the state again for those things, or
Yeah, in June.
in June?
And I'm probably the driver.
Yeah, you told me that. That's pretty cool.
And then this year we're buying, I don't know if I told you that, we're buying the motors. You don't make the motors now?
No, I didn't know that.
Because it's too unreliable.
Okay.
And it has become really, like, it has become cheaper to buy motors from a company that makes them.
Yeah, pretty much like I'm pretty sure the top technology too.
Yeah, like they're smaller, they make more power, more reliable. And before they were like 80,000.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's like 50. They're expensive, but sponsors and everything.
Yeah.
But since we're gonna have new motors, we're gonna make like I think it's 130 Newton meters per wheel.
Are you kidding me?
Way too much torque for the tires. So I'm gonna have to control that. Gonna be sick.
Yeah.
Gonna be sick for the drivers that have like the full power of all the motors.
Yeah. The speed limit keep being the same, right? Like they don't modify that.
They don't have a speed limit, it's just that there's so many curves on the track,
Mm-hmm.
you cannot reach like don't reach above like 100 kilometers.
Mm-hmm.
But the top speed of our motor is 140. Pretty good, yeah. Compared to the one that we built that was like 80.
Yeah. Very nice.
PLTR's at an interesting level.
PLTR, you say? I'm just gonna PLTR. That's a $4 trade man. Oh yeah, PLTR. Ooh la la. What are you looking like in there? Long, short, what?
I'm looking at all.
Me too. And even for Nvidia, I'm looking long. I know it sounds crazy, but the only thing is that PLTR I can pull back probably to 173. Do you see that or not?
173.80. Holy cannoli.
I'm dropping off an order on PLTR at 173.02. And Nvidia is also right there too. Nvidia is another one that I would like to go long because I'm trying to go short, but like it makes no sense. It's just Like literally it's $2.5 above for me to look for the short. So I better look for a pullback inside the 74 and I go for it. The SMCI I have been kind of not too active about it, but like it's just because it worked me out. I just retook the tray actually at a better price, that's if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I took the tray at a better price, and it might bounce from there. But if it doesn't bounce, I haven't seen it printing 4400, but like I think it's doable.
SPY says possible VWAP bounce.
Yeah. Well, what price do you have at the VWAP?
66260, 66265, and we've got a big position at 66250 and 51.
Okay.
Back on the DXL. Look at that bounce on SPY. Like, now it's not a big move, but that's a range. I don't know.
SPY. It's like Marie was calling it out. I look at it. For me, the bounce, yeah, it bounced dead on by the price that Marie say. Though, yeah, it's overnight VWAP, right? You have an overnight VWAP right there.
The overnight is below the VWAP.
Okay, so it didn't reach it.
It was in my range and on the view.
My pullback point is a little bit below yours. Like both of you. Let's see Nvidia. I short Nvidia one more time. The same price that I short previously. The same tight stop loss. It's not a wider stop loss because if that works, you have to work right away.
For which one?
For Nvidia, short at 175.85. The actual price is 175.80. But you have been holding good. I know it can go to 178 very easy, but it is not going there. So as we're dreaming with one side, we have to be at the other side and say if it's not moving there, probably it's one the other side. So this is a occasion where I have a tighter stop loss. Why? Because it makes no sense to have it bigger than that. Like right now, for it to get me out, you would actually have to make a higher high. And if you make a higher high, why I'm going short, You are just not correct. Unbelievable enough, the only name that is red in my list is AMD.
The only one is what?
The only one in the watch list that is red is AMD. At least
Yours, you're right. Well, Apple a little, but barely.
Yeah, then I have Red Cat and Apple, but like those are below. Por un caminito yo te fui a buscar, muy lejos caminé, y al fin yo te encontré. I don't want you to do that.
Well, we definitely have some sellers with SPY. We found some sellers there. But still, really good reaction and still maintaining the VWAP. a little un poco cansado?
A little bit bored.
Hmm. Okay, so
What?
review your positions. What are
Okay.
you in, your trades?
I'm in Nvidia short, SMCI short. SMCI, the price I wanted to get short was 45.50. The one I have is 45.37. Nvidia, the
Nice.
short I have is at 175.85. I am 5 cents inside the money that I wanted. Okay, it was I wanted to get 80. I have 85. So one is better than expected. The other is just okay. And yeah, I did fantastic in one trade on Nvidia, poorly on Tesla. Though Tesla just shake me out. And Tesla smoked me a couple days ago, and like today is my worst stock traded, but still we are doing good. So it's just, uh, yeah, it's just what it is. It's like you say that because there was number coming out, or because it's about the time
For?
for me to review the positions,
No, it's
just to keep it update. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
Thank you. I appreciate it a lot.
yeah, because right now, SPY being it way around. Right now, the VWAP
Mm-hmm.
66267.
I'm expecting a spy to go down to
Big buyer at 66267. That's pretty much. the
659.70. Big buyer where on a spy?
VWAP on SPY. So at 66267, which is almost dead on the VWAP.
Is she gonna provide the blood to go down?
The blood. Well, the heat map is not that bad.
Ay, papa.
Okay, so we've got the big order that just went through on SPY.
Okay, so we're back. So I will do that while we finish. By the time we finish, it's gonna be ready. Eso no fue nada.
Okay, we do need to take 2 seconds.
Okay, you need a break. Okay, we're gonna. Right, we are back. So Mpira got me out.
Kaboom.
What is going kaboom?
5.
Exactly at the big order, it ate it and went kaboom.
That kid that you want, arrange the big order you're talking about.
So all those things combining together.
Mm-hmm. Dollar almost in the money for PLTR.
You had the long?
Yep.
Nice.
Already took a partial at 174. Thank you.
Money talks.
Here comes the money.
Huge order at 175.50. That's gonna be my next partial. It's almost enough momentum to go through it, but come on, grain of sun. Are you in any trade?
I'm gonna be jumping on INTC.
Long?
Mm-hmm.
Guys, I need to go.
Okay. So you did very good today.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
I did 5 or
Pretty cool.
with a half hour down. I did. And did a couple good trades.
Very nice. Polishing it.
Have a good weekend, guys.
Have a wonderful weekend.
Thank you, you
Zach.
too, my guy.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
See you then.
We'll see you Tuesday, hopefully.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
So what are you in, Davey?
INTC long, SMCI short.
Okay.
So I add more to SMCI and tighten the stop loss again, even more. So right now I'm using a very tight stop loss on SMCI. Nvidia shake me out twice at the same price.
No.
And I just won't take it, as I say. It's just like it's probably I should be taking a long in there instead of a short. But I don't believe in the longs on it right now, so I'm gonna hold it there. I mean,
176.
when I mean hold it, I am not taking anything in there. It just makes no sense.
176.50. So, did you want to review?
Yeah, let's wrap it up. And like I was green, I passed from green to red. Like now I'm red because of the trade on Tesla actually, and then I took another red trade. So, but in general, like I won't complain much. It's just like or the market is not moving that much, or those things I'm trading they are not moving that much, or I am trapped into bad prices. But for you to have an idea, let's say I trade Tesla. Let's go one by one. So in Tesla, I went long here, very little amount of shares. Then I doubled it here just to be out. I got out of it at an okay price. And then I said I'm gonna short Tesla because it's looking like a short. So I short Tesla, and took a loss. At what candle did it reverse? Like it's exactly
Right where you came up.
1 minute candle. So it's time after time after time, and it's the
How many
same
times,
thing.
right,
It's
that we
just
see
so
that?
annoying. Yeah. So it got me out, and I said, you know what? I'm not touching Tesla anymore because I just don't want to be part of that insanity that is not working for me right now in there. But let's say I walk away. So the most red stock I have right now, actually Nvidia just went above that, but like, because I took a big loss. I took two losses. No, but they were not big. They were just 2 times the same amount on Nvidia. So Nvidia is my most red, and then it's Tesla. So then like I am actually green on Nvidia alone. So that's okay. Yeah, if I deduct that from the actual loss. So Nvidia, I went long here. Add to the long. That didn't work. One long again. Add to the long, very heavy here. Partial, partial. Add to the trade. Partial, partial, partial. All out. And then I say, you know what? That's a good
That's a
price to
good-
short. Stop me once. Oh, that's a good short. Stop me twice.
Yeah.
And now it's going back up. So yeah, that's it for Nvidia. As I say, good trade, and I won't
That's a good
complain much.
trade.
Like, yes, I have to stop out, but like the trade did work good, so I have no much complaint on that one. So that was Nvidia. I did Tesla. So then SMCI. SMCI, that one is about to get me out, SMCI, because I have a tight stop loss on this one. But I shorted here, partial, add to the short, all out. Shorted again, add to the short, and now my stop loss is right there, so it's like 3 cents to get me. It will go 3 cents more and it will get me for sure. So that's SMCI. SMCI, my loss on SMCI is no big. Yeah, it's no big, it's a small loss. It's gonna be about 1 hour if ever you get me out.
Okay.
So yeah, then the last one I took, and this is very recent, and it's doing good right now. It's doing okay. Is INTC. I decided to go long on INTC, to go long in INTC right here. Yeah, as I say, it's doing good, but like I'm not too convinced about that, so I am taking it with a little bit of a skepticism there. Though INTC have the volume, you have the power to go higher, so we just have to be nimble there and try to not mess it up. So but that's a good entry. I would judge that as a good entry,
Okay.
and let's see what he wants to do. But yeah, no much for me. So as I say now, I'm red. I'm like probably gonna be able to be green, but I am trying to not hold trades afternoon during the afternoon, and that's why I was taking so many partials on Nvidia, because I say I don't want to be sitting down on a trade that I cannot look at during the afternoon. So that's it for me. So
That
what
makes
about you,
sense.
Marie?
Okay, so 3 trade. My Baidu, I put in my order, and Baidu, like we said earlier, I put in my order at the biggest, at 132.80. I took my first partial at
Oh,
130.
crap, that was very early.
Yeah, 132.80. That was pre-market that I put it in. And then I took my first partial at 136. My second partial
Pretty good
at
trade.
137. Fully out at 135.6.
Very nice.
And now it's consolidating. So that was a 10-hour trade. I was very pleased with that. I took INTC as well, pre-market, put in my order. So I put in my order again. We're always thinking about historical. INTC, how many times they did not fill in my order. So I went way too aggressive there, but I was able to hold on and break even with that one. So I went in at 32, added at 31.75, added again at 31.30. My last add was at 30.80, and I was able to break it even. So bettering my price. So I broke even at 31.31 and got out of that trade. So when you're looking to Davy's point at 31.31, it's almost a place there that it popped up after and went to the 32 that I was expecting. Now, that being said, 32 doesn't, it seems to be a very, very strong support there, resistance actually. And that resistance, if we're looking at the tape, could pop to 50, but the way that it's moving right now, oi, 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 it's been slow. INTC was a little uncomfortable for me this morning, though I managed it well after my very aggressive entry. But yeah, right now I have no trade, but my day is definitely green.
Nice.
Yeah, I've got 5 hours right now for green trade.
Like
so-
Zach, pretty much.
Yeah, almost. You're right.
So
I liked the levels that we put on Spy. I liked the way that it reacted, and our prediction or analysis were correct. Right now, INTC, of course, with the incredible news that it had, an influx of capital, which is ginormous, the possibility of 3250 is definitely doable today.
nice.
Mhm.
Okay, so anything else?
No, I got a headache.
Aye.
And I guess we will see everybody tomorrow.
Yeah, so tomorrow's Friday, so let's hope everybody have fun. We're gonna be here tomorrow. We will see you then. Bye.